What can I make in a toaster oven? Welcome to Kitchen Angle. Please subscribe Kitchen Angle. A toaster oven is a useful kitchen device. Toasting bread is one of many possible applications for it. With a toaster oven, you can bake, broil, and even reheat food. The following is a list of foods that can be prepared with a toaster oven. Number 1. Baked potatoes. Number 2. Roasted vegetables. Number 3. Grilled cheese sandwiches. Number 4. Toasted nuts. Number 5. Pizza. Number 6. Cakes and cookies. Thanks for watching Kitchen Angle.